Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. If you're new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that you will always be notified when I upload new videos. Today, I have a beautiful package that I received from my friend Raquel. She has a YouTube channel and website called Paints and Glitter, and I will be sure to include a link to her social media info in the description box below. Raquel is an incredibly gifted designer, and I always love seeing her projects. She also specializes in gorgeous mini albums. The package that she sent to me is this beautiful gift box, and let me bring this closer. She's lined this box with mini pom-pom trim in a lavender color, and the background paper is so pretty and feminine. It's got shoes and sunglasses and lips and perfume bottles. She made these beautiful flowers, and she's got iridescent gemstones in the center. Look at how gorgeous these leaves are. That's so pretty. And then she's got these fabric leaves here. And on the side of the box, she's got this beautiful floral paper. On the inside, we have this gorgeous card, and I think this is one of Sherry Baldy's dolls. This is so pretty. Let me give you a closer look. She's got this gorgeous paper in the back. And the whole theme is a movie night theme. On the left in the corner, she's got these punched out tickets that say thanks a bunch. This little lady here with her oversized bow has a big container of popcorn, and then the back it says movie night. She's got a little soda over here. That is so stinking cute. And here on the top, this looks like it's actually one of those viewfinders. And this sets up just like so. This is an easel card. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you so much, Raquel. That is so pretty. Here's her stamp back here. It says Paints and Glitter, Custom Cards and Art, and her email and her website, www.paintsandglitter.com. And that's also the same for her YouTube channel. She also included this package here. Let me open this up. She has this beautiful piece. It says, From Me to You. She's got this on this beautiful lace. She has included a tonic gable box set. This is called Graceful Marquee Box. This is so beautiful. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Look at this die set. It's so pretty and so intricate. Raquel is the queen of tonic dies. If you go to her YouTube channel, she will show you how she's made these lovely mini albums with the beautiful tonic memory keepers. She's got beautiful boxes. She's just a wealth of inspiration. Thank you so much. This concludes my review of my beautiful Happy Mail package from Raquel. Once again, her YouTube channel is Paints and Glitter. She also has a website that's paintsandglitter.com. Raquel, thank you so much. This was so kind and thoughtful of you. I really do appreciate you and your friendship. Please be sure to stop by and show her some love. Hopefully you were inspired by these lovely items that Raquel has shared with me. If you like this video, please take a moment to give me a thumbs up and also leave a comment. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.